Hello, welcome to Colorado Dust Girl 567, and today is the start of our first vlog, and I'm so excited.
I'm tired. Hi.
That does not have anything to do with anything.
I know.
So yeah, we'll talk to you later.
Yeah, she's doing that too.
Oh man.
I changed that shoe.
Did you hear from McDonald's yet?
I applied at Pick and Save now. I don't know yet.
Cash register?
No.
What you do? What's it? The plastic?
It might be a beggar. Good morning, Brendan.
Man, I
Hey.
didn't know it was that too. You checked it out?
Miguel. I was gonna say because Miguel told her. Hey, Brendan, is that any way to treat your brother? Don't hide. No. The views want to see you. They want to see the cruel face that keeps beating up Miguel.
Who?
Brendan, what's your problem? Hey, you can't run away from the camera. He understands what's going on. He's scared of cameras. Hey.
Now, Brendan, say sorry to Miguel. Now. Brendan. Stop crying. Say sorry. Say sorry to Miguel. Oh yeah, there you go.
Nothing. I thought you said I'm gonna kill you.
Hey,
Shut up.
what's your deal? There you go.
So I was gonna kill him. Well, what are you saying? There you go.
They're kissing, like big brothers and little brothers should do.
Oh. They're kissing like they're gay.
They're not, they just love each other.
No, yeah, they love each other, all right. So I'm done over. Put me in fire. For hers. You put them together. You let that one know that you was a little girl so much.
Oh, that's cute. Someone was sneezing and it sounded so cute. Hey.
So I'm back with my baby girl Janet. Say hello, Janet.
She loves the camera. She like loves. See?
This is her favorite thing. Opposite from Brendan. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys that Olivia is actually a boy. So we changed his name to Brendan. So, ow! So now we have 3 boys and 1 girl. This is the girl, the only girl. You can also tell by their Siri. I think it's what it's called. I know how to spell it, but I don't know how to pronounce it, so I just call it Siri. And also, for sure, you can tell for sure that she's a girl is because you were on this, we were here when she had eggs, and we filmed it. So, we obviously know that she's a girl. So, anyways, shut up. So, anyways, the good news, Janet, she just left. So the good news is that she won't be the only girl for much longer. Guys, watch her do this. She's so cute. Okay. So, she won't be the only girl for much longer. Because we're going to Gary's Pet Jungle where we get all these birds, where we got all these birds from. And we're gonna get a new girl. Yeah, Janet, you're gonna have a sister. Are you excited? So, we're planning to get like a white bird or a green and yellow bird. Or a yellow bird. Kind of like Trisha. And Janet, because I know she looks green here, but to me she kind of looks yellow. Actually, no. Now that I look at her, she kind of looks like the girl version of Jules with a lighter skin on the bottom, which kind of makes her look cute. Just look at you, little girl. Remember when you were just a little girl. Aww. So yeah, we're gonna get a new bird. And if it's a white bird, I'm gonna name her Snowflake. Because why not? I don't like buying stuff.
No, I'm buying it. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. It's fine with me.
My face. Ooh, I want to carry it. I'm going to try to get. I'm going to try to get more into the birds. Then I won't be scared of their claws.
They're not open.
Hey, so Gary's Pet Jungle doesn't open till 10. So we're not going to Gary's Pet Jungle until later. So yeah, sorry everyone. I'm gonna give my camera to Ashley so she can record her judo class.
No.
Yes.
I can just.
Come down pretty good.
Don't worry.
Did it come down pretty good?
Ray, don't.
Can I stay in the car?
Why? Why would you want to stay in the car, you weirdo?
I'm not a weirdo.
Bye-bye. You guys see that thing flying around? That's hanging on a spider web.
Where's the spider?
Why are they just sitting there?
Let's see. 2 minutes.
Why can't I go in?
Because you don't want to go to your school.
But I don't want to wait in the car with scary people around.
Okay then.
Come on. You didn't have to wait.
We're going to
I
judo.
told you to take me through the school. But you didn't want to. Now you want to get out
Because you said you weren't going to take that long.
No, 2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
Wow.
Stop doing it, man. You want that man to holler?
No.
Okay, then move. Hold to opposite. No, two people.
So probably handicapped.
Got a lot of land, maybe handicapped, don't be.
That's so mean to say to handicapped.
Handicapped people are not good. You got some people.
Cody.
I don't either.
Not my way. That's it.
No, I didn't know.
Is it really that hard to put on? What?
I don't know.
I'm blocking.
Like that. There you go.
What is?
So that was Ashley's judo class, and now we're leaving to get our new bird. I'm so excited.
We're back.
Yay, yay, yay. We're here back at Gary's Pet Jungle. We got our bird. Yes! We have 2 babies, but this bird right here is younger because it's only 4 months. So. This new bird.
Just let the bird out. I
Be
gotta
quiet.
go. I gotta
I
go.
can do this.
No, you can't because you're not. Hey, don't put.
Why?
Because they're running away every time you get them close.
Okay. I'm putting it close by the camera.
Just let the bird out.
I got this.
Those are Christmas. You might have to tip it up. Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Snowflake, calm down. Everyone, meet our new bird, Snowflake. Guys.
Hey, he moving. Meet your new partner, Miguel. Brandon, come meet us.
I think they knew what was coming, that's why they hid. I know they are. Jules. Hey. What's wrong with you? Don't you want to meet your new friend? Brendan.
Brandon, come here. Come here, baby. Okay. Here you go. They're leaving.
I think they're scared. This is their first time meeting her.
Brandon's going. Brandon, go. Go. Yeah, I think that's a girl, man.
I hear them. Janet!
Where?
No! Don't go!
She went in the nest pod.
I think they're trying everything to avoid this new bird. I heard Jules. But he's on the back.
Uh-oh. Look like he's gonna attack her. Running away now.
Get out of there. Come meet your new friend.
Don't want to get out of there. Let it stay in there. She might make some eggs.
But this is the first day.
Summer.
No, first day meeting her. No! Whoa!
What? Nice.
That sounds so weird. Sounds like she's singing.
She is singing. Yeah, Janet's pregnant. She's wobbling. Come on, Miguel. I mean, Jules. Come on, Miguel. Come on, Brandon. Hey, hey, hey. Don't go outside. They're all together now.
Except Jen. Jules just doesn't want to be here. Neither does Janet.
Janet ran underneath.
They're hiding. They're scared of you, Snowflake.
Don't let it go.
You're a pretty bird. Just look at you.
Yes, she is.
Oh, wait.
Janet's all dusty. I wonder what she was doing. Rubbing herself on the phone over there. I guess she's a girl and Janet didn't tag her. She tagged all the guys. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, look. Uh-oh. Right, Brandon? Oh.
Just get out. Wherever you go. He's being such a little bird.
Uh-oh. Look like he's untagged.
They're so close together.
I know.
Janet, stop being naughty.
There's a boy and a girl, man. The babies. She got a bracelet on them.
No, she doesn't.
He does. Right there.
Yeah, he's old. He's from Petco.
Yeah.
And remember, that bird came from Milwaukee. The white one.
Yep. Yeah, the litter over here. I think that's a girl. He wants to go by Janet. She. And Janet's not attacking it. And Brandon's liking it.
She's just interested in my camera.
See? Janet would have attacked her. That was a boy.
Hey!
And you eat everything on the ground, don't you? Go get her. Go get her, Nilma.
I hear Jules.
Where did Janet go? Janet, that's your young one. Oh my God. Janet went on top of her.
Finally. Now you... Wait, where are you guys heading to the hallway?
That's the young girl. See, I told you, girls, get along with girls.
Okay, everyone, into the hallway. You too.
I gotta go. You better watch these birds carefully.
That's
let
my
nothing-
5
Don't let
birds.
nothing happen to that bird. I gotta shut this door. I gotta go. Don't worry about it. I don't think you got us going. Turn left.
Yes.
The fuck you said turn.
So we're going to a carnival over at her friend's church for about an hour. So yeah. And we're here. Do you have anything else to add?
We're here. That's all I have to add.
You got that long
And here is the
That's
carnival.
not intense. The food is away from
The food is. This is tiny. Oh, I hate these.
Don't.
Did they say that? Did you say it was big?
Something totally wrong with him.
Are we over there? Yes, I see.
Don't worry about it. This is a church. Why not? Why aren't we? Why wouldn't we?
This year, right in there.
I'm 6.
Ashley, why do you always say you're 6?
Because it's 10.
Why not 8?
Let's go look around.
You came here for your friend.
Because I don't know if I'm allowed there.
But her stepdad just said we could go over there. But she.
No, if I'm allowed in there.
Let's go walk around. Miss Polana, we have company. Right.
Yeah. It's a bounce.
Taking a picture of the mouse?
No, I'm recording. I'm daily vlogging. I'm a vlog. This is a place. There's bounce houses over there. There's stuff over there. I don't know what's going on over there. And Cool Rush Girl 567 is in there, inside the building, with her friend Bolana. And yeah, it's basically what's going on right now. It's not a lot going on right now. It's definitely possible. Anything is possible if you put your mind up to it.
When a friend makes a friend, man, you done it. My God, and him, I will trust. I like that one.
Yeah.
What was
There you
what?
go.
What was I to vlog?
Go vlog.
And then she
Go be
said,
a super vlogger.
oh wait, hold on. I need the I need my phone.
Go by, that is not start vlogging. It's vlogging.
You about
I
ready
know.
to get out of here? You wanna have fun?
Wait, hold this.
Start talking about that.
Whoa,
What are you fellas again?
I'm her friend. That is.
You're tilting it. It's supposed to grip like this.
Well, I can't hold it like this.
Okay, now start talking about
Okay,
stuff.
so
What's
this.
going on right now?
You should have said, I'm a doctor. Listen, you should have said, I'm a adopted sister.
This is the carnival, and this is the kitchen, I guess.
Oh yeah, and
Now what are
your
you to
friend
her?
too.
And that's Belana.
Hey, now what are you to her again?
Say my biological sister.
Say. That's my step.
You're holding it wrong.
We got a lot of fun, people.
We are
Vlogging.
Okay, so that's my dad, and that's
Oh my god, why are you introducing everyone?
and that's people.
Talk about what's going on right now.
Okay, so now is I don't know why I'm filming this.
Because we're vlogging.
Don't get me in this.
I feel your pain. I feel your pain.
Go.
This is the carnival. This is the kitchen, though, and we are hanging out with my friends.
That sounds nice.
And there's some bounce houses and stuff out
I
there.
already showed them.
Oh wow, I didn't know.
Well, you should know.
Well,
I had my camera with me.
60 degrees.
how do you-
Ashley, why do you keep holding it wrong?
I'm not.
Getting it in the camera.
I told you, I don't want to be in.
I don't like you.
Oh, man. You got a friend. You got a friend of a friend.
He just wants his 15 seconds of fame eating a hot
And this
dog.
is the guy that's eating the hot dog. What's his name? I don't know.
Fear the deer.
Is some random dude eating a hot dog.
FP.
Fear the deer.
And her name is Bella Volunteering.
Okay, you're 15 minutes.
iPod and an iPhone 7. I cannot take a picture.
I had to buy my own iPhone. What's going on? Mom was warned about. I'm alone. That's why you know.
Yeah.
It's starting.
No.
Why not? No, let me fix my.
Yeah, go back to them. Just go back to them. No.
Oh my goodness. No. That was a little bump.
Same picture.
You have Snapchat?
Yes.
Do you have it?
What's your Snapchat?
I don't know.
Friend.
I know.
How do you make friends? How do you make these friends?
I make friends.
It's so hard for me to make friends. I'm so proud of you, Ashley. You made a new friend.
Oh, Jesse.
Okay, so we're leaving the this carnival. It's a carnival. You guys didn't know. Yeah, there's bounce houses and music and stuff.
Yeah, we just spent most of our time in the kitchen.
Yeah, but you got another boyfriend.
Oh my God, why do you always think when people say something, they like them that way?
That boy was all over Ashley. Come on, man.
He has a girlfriend. Just leave him alone.
He said,
Ashley, see?
he
They
said
still use that.
He said hopefully.
It's not old. People
Ashley,
still use
Ashley,
it.
don't listen because he don't know. He said hopefully he got a boyfriend.
And then I'm gonna go home and watch Romeo and Juliet.
Yeah, go do that.
You won't have to drop Romeo and Juliet. You'll be a Romeo.
And Juliet.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
So, they're going to guitar class, and I'm going to stay home. I was gonna do it myself,
Told it.
and I'm gonna stay home alone. So, once again, this house right now is all mine, and I'm going to go watch. Hold on, I'm trying to choose. I'm going to go watch a movie. So, what we do here in this household, well, there's this thing that me and my sister do. We go to the library every single Wednesday and we check out movies for the weekdays, and we watched them all after school. We don't have school anymore, so yeah. We didn't get to watch this one movie because we had to go to our cousin's graduation on... What the heck are you doing, Miko? So we had to go to Andrew's graduation on Thursday. I didn't record it because I don't record things like that anymore. Plus, it was a Catholic church, and I don't think you're allowed to have cameras in there. Plus, you're not even supposed to have cameras in church in the first place. Any church, I mean, like, my church wouldn't allow it. Well, they would. I just don't feel comfortable with it because I feel like I'm going to get yelled at. But anyways, I'm going to watch Romeo and Juliet. I never watched this movie before. It's a PG-13 movie. I don't really watch a lot of PG-13 movies because sometimes they could be really boring. I know you guys could be like, but PG-13 movies are, like, better than G or PG movies. Well, I guess you're right. I kind of just like PG movies, but sometimes PG-13 movies are okay if they're like romantic movies or like animes. But anyways, I'm gonna watch Romeo and Juliet, and yeah.
Both alike in dignity, in fair Verona, where keep the battle from the city street.
I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, and put good comments in the comment section below. And don't forget to have a good day.